may paparating ha. Nasa likod ko siya. Asan na? Ayan o. Ayan o. May pagkain ka na naman. Saan ka galing? Taong. Sinundan ako dito. Kasi mag-grocery kasi ako eh. So anyway guys, mamaya na lang. Hi guys. So nakapag-grocery na kami. Punong-puno na naman yung trolley namin. So nandito na naman siya sa Poundland. May bibilin daw siyang ice cream. So para siyang buntis, nag-crave siya ng ice cream. Ayan, nandito kami sa Poundland. Poundland. So nintay ko siyang lumabas. So hindi ko alam kung anong ice cream ang bibilhin niya. At maglalakad na naman kami sa init. So tirik na naman yung araw. Yung bangs ko hindi ko pa rin naaasikaso hanggang ngayon. May bangs pa din ako. So anyway, i-update ko kayo later kung anong kaganapan namin, kung magbabas ba kami o maglalakad. Kasi tirik na tirik yung araw, nakakatamad maglakad. So anyway, mamaya na lang. Pakita ko siya sa inyo pag nakabili na siya ng ice cream. Ayan, ayan. Ayan na siya.
Wala yung ano, cherry bake. They don't have cherry bake wells at the moment because
what? You continue that.
They're selling fast. That's why they don't have stocks.
There's a?
They are selling fast the cherry bake wells, so they don't have stocks at the moment. Right? Cut it.
Yeah, got it.
Should I cut?
Okay, let's go. What did you get?
Huh. For British
Why are you putting that? I thought we were eating it.
Okay, yeah. I almost forgot.
Okay, let's go.
Does it taste nice? Will you see? Huh. I didn't open yet, but it's guaranteed 100%.
You think it's nice?
Yeah, look. Ooh. First try. Ooh, there's a...
What is it? Show them.
Second try. Ooh, there's a kick in it.
What? There's a
kick.
Where you going? Where you going next? Huh?
We're there never.
Okay. What Deborah? That's not Deborah. That's CX.
No, was it cold?
Okay guys, pinaggagawa na to. Feeling ko gutom ka kaya ka nag-i-English.
No, because one of my friends on Facebook, Debbie, my colleague, she said, I don't even understand your language, but the videos are very funny.
So it's now that's why you're talking in English?
Yeah, mix it up. Ang hirap.
Okay guys, pasok muna kami sa CX. Magpapapalit siya ng CD niya. Isip ka? Ay ako.
Hi guys, tapos na akong nag-work at syempre nag-meet kami ni Mayora sa town. It's Friday. Alam nyo na kung ano meron. Budol time.
Nakapag-grocery na kami guys. Ayan o, punong-puno.
Tinawagan niya ako, sabi niya gano'n, puntahan mo ako dito sa ano, sabi niya. Tapos nung nakita ko, sus, Mariosep.
Saka yung ice cream na nabili niya, ubus na, di pa kami nakaka-uwi. Naubos na niya. Sa'yo ito, di ba?
Binili ko yan eh.
Hindi naubos na.
Binili ko yon puno, tapos nag-toilet lang ako. Pagkakita ko, wala na, finish na. So yun nga, pagdating ko sa grocery, naku again, sus Mariosep. 45 pounds, 63 pence. Nakakagad yung sa ano, sa till.
Binigyan naman kita ng voucher na 3 pounds ah.
42. Nag-share siya 3 pounds. Alright.
Okay na yun. At least nakapag-share ako ng 3 pounds.
Oo, not bad. Not bad.
So anyway guys, pauwi kami. Naglalakad.
Sinuot ko yung shades ko kanina. 2 minutes kasi ano eh.
Mainit.
Oo, sobrang ano. Yung Hindi yung araw. Tapos ngayon, ayan. Diba?
Makulimlim. Ako din, naka sun visor. Ngayon,
Siya, naka sun visor.
rain visor. Rain visor. Hindi siya sun visor, rain visor. Parang uulan nga eh.
Parang ulan nga. Well, this is England. Ito yung tinatawag nila British summer.
Wow.
Yun.
British weather.
British weather. So have a nice weekend, guys. Paalam, maraming salamat.
Bye-bye, guys. Uwi muna.
Malayo-layo pa ilalakarin namin. Dun. Yeah, see ya.